Guys, ito yung part na medyo emotional si megastar Sharon Cunita sa kanyang ex-husband na si Gabby Concepcion. May sinabi siya dito na nung nawala daw si Gabby sa buhay niya, ang akala niya ay mawawala na rin yung mga fans at suporta para sa kanya. Pero sad to say na hindi naman pala nangyayari dahil nga maganda naman din ang career niya kahit wala na yung kanyang dating asawa. Gumanda naman yung kanyang mga project at ayan nga, naka-establish siya ng magandang buhay. Although maganda naman ang buhay talaga ni Sharon Cunita dahil nga mayaman na siya, hindi naman siya nanggagaling from rag to riches. Nanggagaling talaga siya sa mayamang angkan, anak ng mayor, at ang nais lang naman ni Sharon Cunita from the history is kakanta lang siya. Talagang ang hilig niyang kumanta. Ang ganda naman talaga ng boses ni Sharon Cunita. Talagang hindi man siya bumiberet na katulad ni isa ng ibang artista or ibang singer. Pero napakaganda talaga ang timpre ng kanyang boses. At ito nga siya ay medyo emotional, umiiyak, parang napaluha siya sa nagiging outcome ng kanilang Their Heart concert tour dahil nga sold out talaga ang mga ticket nila at talaga namang nakikita mo yung saya, tuwa, yung nostalgic moment na feeling mong binabalikan yung mga nakaraan at ang mga reaction ng kanilang fans ay talaga namang matindi. Yung tilian, sigawan, palakpakan dahil nga sa tuwa, saya na nakita na magkasama ang dating mag-asawa. Parang dati imposible na silang magkasama dahil nga naririnig natin, nababalitaan natin na hindi maganda ang kanilang relasyon. Pero nakikita natin ngayon na napakaganda. Medyo okay na ang kanilang communication at nakikita naman natin na okay na talaga dahil game na game si Sharon Cunita at Gabby Concepcion. Wala nang medyo ilangan. Nung first show nila is medyo nakikita mo si si megastar ay medyo ilang. Ayan nga si Sharon ay very very emotional talaga siya. At nagpapasalamat na rin siya kay Gabby at si Gabby naman ay nagpapasalamat din kay Sharon Cunita. At ito guys, ituloy natin ang panoorin ang kanilang video dahil nga malapit nang matapos ang kanilang tour.
Wala tayong sa
It was
backstage daw. Sa kitchen, iba.
Sa totoo lang, I don't remember kung ano yung gift specifically na binigay ko sa kanya. Pero during those days, marami akong binibigay ng mga gifts sa kanya. And sometimes, and most of the time, mga maliliit na gifts yun. May kasamang notes yun. So may notes siya, film, ano ba, and so on and so forth. Tapos meron kasamang maliit na regalo yun. Sabi nga nila, di ba, big surprises comes in small gifts. Yeah.
oh, really little gifts. We were kids of flowers or something. But he did give me a ring before he proposed pa. When we were just boyfriend, girlfriend, before I said yes to the marriage proposal, he gave me a ring that I wore all the time. I had a 2-night concert in Araneta Coliseum called Sharon Solo with the Boys in July of 1984. And it was at the last rehearsal, the night before the first show, that he came to Araneta and I was already going backstage. Tapos may hagdanan pababa sa floor na So from the stage, I went like this, then I saw him coming. So nasa taas pa ako, di pa ako nakakababa ng hagdanan. That's when he just said, let's get married, I wanna marry you.
Okay, so when I was in the backstage, when I proposed, that was not planned. Those things just happened to spur the moment. It was fun, and that moment you really felt that this is it. First time na nalaman ko she was pregnant, we were excited, syempre. We knew we were gonna have a baby. That was the moment na, you know, everything's gonna change. So iba pala yung feeling mo yun when you know na you're going to have a baby and you're gonna be a daddy soon.
When I found out I was pregnant, I was in the States. We were already married. And it was so... alam mo yung mixed yung emotions ko because I was scared that my dad would get a heart attack if he found out not only that I was pregnant but that I had married behind their back. So I was happy though. I was happy because I felt, oh my God, we're gonna have a baby together. You know, I mean, my God, this man I love, you know, my husband and I are gonna have a baby. She was brought to me the next day, and she was so big and beautiful. And the first time my mom saw her, because my mom was there when I delivered, my mom right away said, "Look like Daddy." Actually, she looked a lot like my mom and Gabby's dad. So we knew right away, oh my God, she's a Concepcion. Okay, so she was the most perfect child. She was the most perfect baby.
When I first saw her, nandun ako sa loob, ang sarap ng feeling. Because here's somebody coming out, you know, na nanggaling sa inyong dalawa. And it was such a beautiful feeling, it's unexplainable.
Fairy tales are make-believe. And the reality of the ending of the relationship for our prince and princess was not a happy one. But with the passing of time and the shared love of their one and only daughter, after 43 years,
Sabay-sabay. Ulitin natin. Yung ending, okay. Ito na lang. Dear. Tuloy yung ating show. At kung hindi dahil sa iyo, mag-isa lang ako dito.
Ako rin, thank you rin, Gabby. Nalito-lito pa rin. Thank you for this tour. Kasi ang dami-dami, you know what's to me is that I thought when I lost you, I lost all of them. But you're all still here for us. Naiyak ako. And
Ito na. Ito, iwanan mo kanina. Suot ko na eh. Nasaan ba yung tuwalya kanina?
ay, eto meron. Kasi pag pinupunas mo yung pawis ko, lumilipat lang sa ibang parte ng mukha ko. Walang issue.
Oo nga. Ayoko na.
No, but really, it's amazing. God is good talaga because I didn't think this time would come na magkakasama tayo.
Well, you know, life is short. And sabi ko nga, marami tayong dadaanan na challenges. And, you know, we don't design sometimes our lives. Things happen the way they do. And miski hindi natin gusto, kung ano yung ayaw natin, yun ang binibigay sa atin.
Bakit ayaw mo ba to? Hindi, joke lang. Binibreak ko lang yung emotions ko.
Yeah. But gusto ko yung magkasama tayo ulit, and that's the reason why magkasama tayo ulit, because now we understand each other. Dahil tayong dalawa lang naman talaga makakagawa nun.
Actually, yun po ang ano tawag doon, yun ang, sandali, tumutuloy luha. Yun yung talagang nakakapagtaka for us.
Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag mo tatawagan kasi gabi-gabi.
Mamaya, tatawagan kita, tingnan na.
Okay. Excuse me. So,
Parang, it's just, we're just really grateful to all of you that you've loved us for 40 years. No, 43 years since you. And we have 2 shows left to go. I will miss singing with you.
talaga.
The concert.
Teka
Thank
muna.
you.
Hindi, huwag natin tapusin.
Hindi ko akala yung mangyari ko. Pero matagal pa
But life is short, we should enjoy every moment, di ba? At huwag na tayong maluluha. At least nakikita ko sa luha mo, these are, dahil magkasama tayo ngayon, magkakausap tayo noon, hindi. These are tears of joy. Huwag na. Pag-ready ka na. Del, ready na ako. Kumanta. Ay, mami. Ay, naman. Basta we love you too. That's important.
Kasi ang dami na rin namin talagang pinagdaan, Gabby. Ang ending, tayong dalawang lang dito talaga. Nakatay na natin to. Thank you so much. We love you so much. And we're forever.
Kasi, nung araw nanonood ako ng napakasakit Kuya Eddie. Kaya gusto ko siyang tawagan para ipaliwanag sa
Ay, ba't di mo ako tinawagan?
mas maganda siyempre kung meron akong binubuhusan ng di ba?
Ba't di mo ako
Sa mga
binuhusan?
Hindi kita mabubuhusan. Dadamputin pa kita.
Ba't di mo ako
Pali ka na.
Huwag kayo, di mo ako kaya. Mahuli tayong dalawa.
Di ba?
But di ba, it's been a journey of self-discovery between us kahit di tayo magkasama.
Yes. Alam nyo, tayong mga katulad namin, marami tayong pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Kayo, bilib na bilib ako sa inyo because nandito kayo ngayon sa Canada. Imagine, yung hirap na dinaanan ninyo, nandito kayo ngayon and you're successful. Not everybody is in your shoes. Sino ba naman makaka-worth bumili ng magkano yung ticket? Grabe. Grabe.
Tsaka nagkabagyo sa akin recently. It's so nakaka-break ng heart yung may mababalitaan
Yes.
tayo tungkol sa nangyayari sa bayan natin.
Yes.
But those are things beyond our control. So you're blessed to be here.
Yes, and the reason why we're together is because, and we're all together, is because kahit na papano, we gave it one more chance, di ba?
That's right.
So at least,
And you know, it's very touching kasi kahit na nagkaroon kami ng time apart, gumawa siya ng projects niya, gumawa ako ng projects ko. Hindi niyo po kami nilimon. Sana ho, whether we're together on a show or a project or not, sana you continue po supporting us. Thank you so much. We love you po so much. You make our hearts sing.
and just like you, if you're going through a personal relationship na parang yung pinagdaanan namin, everybody deserves one more try. Can we do this?
Hello din po sa inyo lahat na hindi pa makamove on sa aming dalawa. Kami ko nakamove on na. Pero ginagawa namin ito para sa inyo mga hindi pa. We love you po.
Ito ay sing ng ating friendship together. Hindi ako kasuot ko. I would like to give this to you.
Is this for my for the monitoring my heart?
For our friendship. Yan, wala
We
pa.
have the same ring, but it will fit here.
Sige na yan. Sige na yan.
There, perfect.
That's, I've been wearing that the whole night and I intended to give that to you.
You were not wearing toys. Tinakuha naman yun naman.
Guys, I have been wearing this. Kung masusundan niyo lahat ng aming mga shows, I've
Is
been
this the
wearing
one
this the whole time.